People, are you ready? Oh Lord, people, are you ready? Dancehall, watch me. Hey, they call me Superman. I have the super plan. I have the super team. I have the super hand. With the Jcdc, it is a super job. Big up the super girl and the super woman. They call me Superman. I have the super plan. I have the super team. We have the super hand. With the Jcdc, it is a super job. Big up the super girl and the super woman. Me take a 1 hour, build back a clean tower. Working star when you say them a super shower. America, Russia, China, France, a super power. In a boat, Hamburg, a super. Me have the super ship, with me super anchor. Top stage, with them super skanker. Me super hot, full of super jet, get on the suit, pull up! How you doing? It is the Grand Rasta One. Big up Jcdc, big up grandson, big up Rhyme, step up. Rhyme. Anything. What are you again? Bounce it. Hear it. One Rasta, one Rasta, one Rasta, one. Who knows the one Rasta, one Rasta, one Rasta, one? Who knows the one Rasta, one Rasta, one Rasta, one? Who knows the one Rasta, one Rasta, one Rasta? Blue man them, bad man thing, here I got. I don't make the young girl anytime me see you. We are coming down and a girl and me want to you. Oh, can't watch up, everything I feel. Oh, I need yeah, give me a dancehall rhythm, because a long time I not up the stage, you know it's rhyming. So when you know me not join it. Give me a dancehall rhythm, any dancehall rhythm. Because you see now the street people and I fact me from selling me CD, so I'm supposed to tell them what I want. Yeah, me I tell them, so big up yourself for that crowd. Mad city. Any dancehall rhythm. I have to tell them what I want. Justice man.
Justice, go now. Ah boy, run the music.
I don't make the youth go rubber. I don't make me turn chain grabber. Them want that me, not tell me can't bother. Me have to get a call, to call my grandmother. So I run off the no talababa. Run to the first, pick up the granddada. Oh, so that the brother. Mix me up, let me tell you my brother. Listen me. Me a hustle, otherwise me a musician. You need to the street, them a wonder if me can. You bang in the street, 3D in a me hand. Now me a go ready to go run to a fun. Holding up to the people, I'm holding up me up. You up on a buckle and king. Don't forget your body, girl, you good looking. Climb back at you up on a buckle and king. You be the queen or us to be your king. You tell us shaggy, you tell me what I'm gonna tell us shaggy, the plug is saying I know. And it's a grand Rasta grand. Pull up. And it's a grand Rasta grand again. One more tune for them. And you want a new song? Yeah. Alright. Give me a hip hop. Easy going. Hip hop. Are you ready? All you know me I ride on bike. And I drive car and I build house to Sablama. Maybe still no hand. All the rich you know to Sablama. Can everybody get rich now? I play house and build up. All of them slumdog millionaire. And the person will hear it. Are you ready? When we put a mic to you now, when we say slum dog millionaire, what are you gonna say?
Slum dog millionaire.
Watch out. If I be the youth, them we grow up poor. Hungry, used to sleep and poor. Now them bust out on entrepreneur. Have them one, shop them one, car them one, store them near. Slum dog millionaire. We car them steer, name brand them here. What's your favorite justice country? have your root. Curfew, but we know them by the food. Curfew, they may have the beer, but me recruit. Curfew, and of them become all of saloon. Curfew, sky, and part of us. Feel a sexy part, suit, see the point. You know, I never eat girl, me never be girl. Go bitch with girl, but I'm sweet girl.
Alright, keep it bouncing tonight, man. Keep it bouncing. Right now, we're going to call the section stage. Honestly, there's some people in our front here.
Big up, Sean! Big up, Sean!
JAMAICAN is in the house. Help me welcome to center stage at this time. The brother who is hotter than hot, red hot, Jcdc! Started from top, Papa. Started from top there. Stop Lamar! Run it now, run it, man. Whoa, ya, whoa, ya, whoa, ya, whoa. Oh, na, 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 na. I see I'm blind here and there. You see? Ha! But now I talk from me still last night, cause it's a talk. Oh, it's a go cause a fight. Stop Lamar, walk one! Boy up a foreign cool, me glad for down here warm and nice. Sablamar meets up from west to the world, you know. We travel the globe and we say Sablamar we come from. All who proud to come from Sablamar, put your hand in here, so. So anywhere in the world me go, me born over Sablamar Hospital and me grow up park. Me have Sablamar for life. Run that me down. Oh ya, oh ya, oh ya, oh. Oh na 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 na. Well, see, I'm blind here and there. You see? Ha! But now I talk from me still last night, cause if me talk, no, it's a go cause a fight. But now I talk from me still last night. What's done in the dark must come to light. Me can't talk from me still last night, cause if me talk, though it might cost me life. But now I talk from me still last night. Y'all listen me keenly. Mary Lou big daughter, only 14-year-old, claims she can conquer big. The dumper truck, you know, if you ask no question, you know she get. Tony have a big son, him used to treat like a girl. Now the boy a flex like Miss World. Me said the boy downtown with Jonathan. You can't tell me nothing that the boy a take. Me not talk from me still last night, cause if me talk, no it a go cause a fight. Me not talk from me still last night. What's done in the dark must come to light. Me can't talk from me still last night, cause if me talk, no it shall cost me life. Me not talk from me still last night. Y'all listen again? Yeah. You know that youth they will claim say him a damn. Him brag and him boast and him alone please him woman. I think one and I miss sight the rake. And what that you a eat my youth, that a no cake. But shot a youth got the whole place locked. And everybody fear him cause him well strapped. Last night I said shut up on a spot. And now him alone and him sit down on a Me not talk from me still last night, cause if we talk, now we talk a cause of. Pull up that to the papa, pull up the one there. Stop the bar, what's that? Well, I don't know anyone to see me, you know. Me are the short one, and you know what the tall one, dog. Justice Merchant. But yeah, when you see him work earlier, we're not stressed it. Next track.
Bless it.
Hold it there. Now that song what we are going to do right now, my first #1 in Jamaica, you know. And a Westmoreland make it #1. See? So, if you know, drop it, road boy. If you know, say you're not bad mind. And you're not envy. You're not envious. And you love your neighbor. Let me see you in the ear, so come on. Stop Lamar, if you come from Darling Street, Rush Hudson Street. If you come from Grangeville, come down here. Let me see you in the ear, sir. Because I'm going to tell you some little story. Right now we're kind of different. Yeah. I'm ready for bounce with me, right? Let's go. Listen. But some bad mind want to take you high. Some of them are true, that we know. We set up your life. And your youth want to take your loot. Put you in a room with a single suit of the truth. And of the kind, them no want you shine like a dark cloud. And cover your mind in the time. In this time, you know see the sign. But the boys are rolling up the street like it's not a crime. Luxury garden, me beg your pardon. If you're not, open up your ears, it must be hard. Come help the poor, I say you will score, this is sure. Enough of we are sleep on floor. I come to look a job, I no come to rob. These get me mad, so sad. Well, door in my face, security chase, like I'm not from the human race. Careful where you are. After dark, you might only see the spark. Well now, well it's not too late. We could really be so great if we appreciate. Met and have some faith. That's round a flanker, take a paper, judge a spank ya. How you feel, kill your one brother them. Well nights don't count when the thing a sound. Dogs them a bark. Round after round after round. There be no mercy for the merciless. When the cities are killed down, the people are so heartless. The streets are killed down. Stop it. Next track right away now, car. We can't come and talk all the kind of things and talk about the ladies them, you know. Hold it the papa. Stop them all ladies, let me hear you scream. Nice to meet love woman, you know, come here, have a daughter. Carisha, where you at? My daughter there, you know, so I have a love woman, see? Ladies! Deep river woman. Lord, I'm coming home to you. Deep river woman. Lord, I know she's waiting, just anticipating all my love. Ladies, if you know your arm clean, come on now. Turning out in the lane, just another chance to see you. Just you and I. Wanted you to know that my playing days are over. 'Cause all I do is think of you, the writings on the wall. Deep river woman. Lord, I'm coming home to you. Deep river woman. Lord, I know she's waiting, just anticipating all my love. Stop it, road boy. Now the women can be. Oh, na, na. Oh, if you remember the one, you know. Na, 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 na. Oh, remember the one, huh? Oh, Delilah. Come take a spell off for the Rasta, man. I tell you, some women can be challenging, so guess what? This is my story. Oh, na, na. Stop them all. Well, na, 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 na. Come take your spell off of the Rasta man. Oh, Delilah. Just to figure out you're working for them dirty Babylonians. Oh, Delilah. Yeah, take your rap off of the Rasta man. Oh, Delilah. Just to figure out. Just to, listen. My love was meant to be a thing for you to keep and treasure while you're wearing my ring. Could never be in need. Well, I provided everything, though I suspected the greed. Was so amazing when she speak. I never know I get a girl, could I get so deep? Well, intellectually blessed. Now she's proving to be such a devil prince. Sing! Whoa, Delilah, Delilah. Check your spell out for the Rasta man. Whoa, stop it! I remember the one there, right? Listen, the next song I'm going to sing. 5 weeks that song I spent on #1 in Jamaica. So it's the Westmoreland with the on the map. Because them go on like a Kingston alone, you have to stay for make hit song, you know. A Sabla man, I stay and make them hit song, you know. 5 weeks on #1 in Jamaica. Drop it. Come on, sir. Come on, master. Sit down in the air. Pull it down a little bit there. Pull it down. Make it down low. Make it down low. Make it go and play, man. You know, sometimes you try to get through in a life and every little thing you try, nah, work. Not true, don't. Listen. Believe it ain't one thing, it's another. Put up. If it ain't more time, you what now? You know why I do that song, yeah? I go up Irish FM with that song, go try to get some airplay scene. And after I go up there and I try to get some airplay, I come and tell me, say, yeah man, I go play it, man, I go play it. So I give me CD. 1 week pass, me no hear nothing. 2 weeks pass, me no hear nothing. So I drive, go back up Irish FM, go check him again one night, do him my work, you know. When him come out for work, I did about 4 hours wait for him. When I come out, I'm check the man say, you know, so I did have a CD and I don't know where it go. So I give him my next CD. 1 month pass again, I don't hear nothing. I say, hold on, I go on. So I go back to check him again. The man said, you know, so I did have a CD up the last night. I mean, I see. I said, boy, I wanted a brother him and him say, yo, you don't know, so you have to deal with the thing. So I said, poor me, you know, we don't want me to sell, not sure if the police lock me up. The man look at me playing on the street and say, yo, my lord, if you don't have money, if you don't have business, you better you go try drugs. Top of the thing. So, if you know, say in your life, sometimes you have to look for yourself and say, boy, you know, if I know one thing is the next thing, drop it. Oh, na. Sablamar. You see? Now, all of the people, them kind of look lame, man. Come on, I'm see on the hand, man. I'm see on the hand, man. I'm see on the hand wave, man. I want to have more than no, sir. Now, if it ain't one thing, it's another. It's everything, one thing, oh, it's another. Listen to story, now it's a crazy mixed up world, a dog-eat-dog world. Life is full of strife, people just like now. Well, everybody's talking crap, running things and this and that. Raise your resentment, add to discontentment. Talk to any guy, he'll tell you the taxes are too high. Folks, movies are corrupt, suicide is kids are a sorry lot. Some folks say it's cause of thought, but only ego trip. Wow! Again, now if it ain't one thing, if it's enough, stop it. Beloved and stuff, Lamar, and I'll take them all the time. Respect, my love.
Fire blazing.
Tonight, come on, give yourself a big round of applause. Give yourself a big round of applause. Woo! Yes, indeed. Lord. Ladies and gentlemen, right now we want to bring on stage one of the biggest acts tonight. We want to bring on stage a DJ who is lyrical. All who watch Madam Kings and Queen Gusto. Inna the bus. He's from Portmore. He's fresh right now inside of Savlamar. Give me the mud up with him there. Run him mud up. Ladies and gentlemen, if I say Professor, what do you say? If I say Professor, what do you say? Woo! Yes, indeed. Professor Nuts. Run him up with him.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen. The madman has arrived. Let me ease off the spectacles and give it to my daughter, Kimisha. Now, Junior, big up yourself because you're my son and you're here. First, I have to say big respect to the security forces in the place. And we have to say respect to the people them, yes, who make this possible for it to be so crowded. And we have to say respect to the sponsors and all Jcdc affiliates. Now this is an event we'll ever keep in a server because it's a good thing we don't have. But right now I come to show some lyrics. So this is my first lyrics to you. Run the answer.
A teacher, man, a teacher, man.
You know, alright, play it low now. You know what I like? Respect Mr. Bondsman. You see this entertainer? I don't have to rehearse with you to respect you. You know, all you do is just watch the hand for the one drop. Are you good? And when I go so, when I take it down low, not no more. We come to elaborate. Now this is Salvo. And we are going to talk in parking some of the time because there's a lot of kids about. You have to respect the smaller ones, you know. Watch this. This is so full of woman. And I love that. Yeah, when I bossy. When I hear me? When I hear me? Watch you know. 12 minutes enough man there, but a woman there, you know. Woman there, you know. Woman there, me this enough man there, yo, after me taking a dance down to Manchester. Think it was sometime last November. When me go in a the dance, me say what is higher. Hey, you bet me be drink a mass near. Me say up here man there, man up here man there. Here man there, when me, how me say me jump out of the dance, jump in a me under. The hear a man say, lad you gone professor, me say me soon come back. Tell the promoter, me gone hunt to man fi come back on ya. Drive go a Portmore, Edgewater. Wake Angela, we live at the corner. Wake up Sharon, we live at Coronada. She run, go for Ellen, that are the bigger sister. Then me go for Long Palm Big, Sophia Lenky, Ollie, Marga, Futanita. Giant Paula, Dashwe, Elena, Yami Basia, that are the long Sonia. Parrot Mouth Jai, Chatty Lee, Sexy Great Rosie, Lazy Body Maria. Long neck Gina for nose Pauline, Picky Edgar, John Jotty, Desiree. Baby! Stop it, bro. Stop it. The good thing with the heart. Quiet! Put some more tempo on that. Tempo. 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 Right. Keep it by your tempo. Wait now. Now you see me, he's a madman, you know. Play it low now. Well, I noticed that the police them have a problem with the taxi driver them in a cell. Why? Because some of them lights in the street and them not drive good on the road. Well, they go show them say, me a driver. Me make billions swallow them saliva. Play it low. And let me tell them what kind of car me drive. I drive one car, we do not hear nothing yet. And the first car if I make me bust so much, me not talk about my little dibby stalling. Where easy to drive and I play hard to get. The car me a talk of them big turbojet, roughneck 10 cylinder 2000 Chevrolet. When you put the rear view, your bottom goes up straight. You have to be quiet now, man. I listen the lyrics, man. Let me continue from there. Talking in parables. I drive one car, I do not hear nothing yet. And the first car if I make me bust so much, me not talk about my little dibby stalling. Where easy to drive and I play hard to. The car me a talk of them big turbojet, roughneck 10 cylinder 2000 Chevy. When you put the rear view, your bottom goes up 12, you have to knock a shot of brandy and burn a cigarette. The first time I drive, that the sitting there dead. So me know she powerful, me make sure the door shut. Hold the gear stick a first gear, me select. Right to the sign mark slip we went wet. Me no matter that at all, we don't lick up on the wall. Cause the bigger them come is the harder them fall. Sink the pedal, we hard to start, but me say so tap your knife, install your one stall. The night she was making when I was driving. Everybody next door hear when she come in. Me stop and come out, full it up a gasoline, and then me jump in the back and go rev the quiet! I said quiet! Quiet! Stay low! Low! Because we have to take the knives, no. What about that, man? I pay you for this moment. Play low. Listen this, Sav. A girl come check me well, love me like food. I say, not see you know to drive my prelude. Me say, look baby doll, me know if you drive good. Not only that alone, me I know if you drive. Honda, Toyota, Granada, Ferrari, Oscar, Olzefa, Toyota, Corolla, Buick, Skylark, Mazda, Hillman, Hunter. Shaka Zulu, tractor, bulldozer, Cobra, Lada, bumper, car, and trooper, roller, air tanker, dumper, land. Jazzland, Rover, Bedford, and Grader, Betsy, kick up, chugga, gana, Katina, Barford, and Silica, Scooter, Marina, Granada, Ferrara, Clan, Costa, Leland, Andra, Gun, Bogo, Shaka. Now this is the 50th anniversary of Jamaica.
This is the first. 51.
50th.
51.
And I'm glad I lived to see this day. And be very happy that you did.
51st now.
What you see, Jamaica is a nice little place and we don't want a little bad man come mash it up. The little guys. You understand me? That's why we say to Jcdc, this is an annual event and we're going to keep it that way. You understand me? So all the man we come to mash up business. No matter with it. Hear this. Would it have stage show dead and gone? See that right now this year one still a go on. We no try, don't mash this up. We no try, don't mash this up. But the only time we get to perform at the end of the day when nothing else now go on. We no try, don't mash this up. We no try, don't mash this up. Watch it. Well, if we mash it up as from tonight it would have end. Mash it up when I go keep no more of this again. Mash it up where you woulda do you and your friend. From the mash it up already, when we mash it up again. Mash it up some entertainer want to nothing know. Mash it up when I go try to please you no more. Mash it up with all the way from back to them at we are gonna live ya. I'm gonna do pure foreign show. No, only a bag of lyrics we bring come. Entertainer never come here with no buckle nor gun. And people fling buckle and spoil up the fun. And the entertainer get all the blame when it's done. How can an artist under God's son come up here to come perform and a fear gets set for run? DJ come and talk and all tie up them tongue. All the pan them mind no soon lick them down. Chop, the buckle thing really gone too far. Me no think that to no pay no money for. A girl come show me some artist girl like every buckle with them fling with the stadium catch her. Just a fling a buckle and them buy you the bar. Shut up! Let me tell you, entertainment is nice, you know. That's why when you come to places like these, where we have a body of people, we don't want no animosity, no buckle, no broke. Not enough people. Everybody will leave here and go home. That's why the entertainers must come on stage and work properly to the people's expectation and give them what they anticipate. So play it low. Low, low, low. When it low. People, we make some DJs so try to give people joke. Me say them not even try. No little kiki, no little lullaby. All them they wanna just murder a guy. Puss in a bag, that was a dance on fire. Them can't sell you nothing when you know what I'm buying. If them are brutal, then better try to papaya and start give people joke before we make buckle. That's why I rather be jokify than be an entertainer where I make people sigh. I talk about gun and from a rock I go fly. I rather give you a joke till your belly but die. I'm not stage show, me go make people cry. Make man low. I'm not stage show, me go make people cry. Make man laugh till them choke get all dry. I brother thump off me and I say, me not tell a lie, you make me lose the false sleep. But of this satisfied, that's why. Shut it! Hey yo! What am I saying? Stop the band completely now. This is time of festivity, we have to give them a little joke. We can't come here and go to the joke, man. Sav, me is a man, love to dance. But I did not know that everything Elephant Man said, I was to dance. So I was in one of Elephant Man dance, and Elephant Man hold the mic on the pan. Ready. You me like a idiot. Ready what? I went early they look for. Does it sound like him last something because him say ready? What? I don't know. Ready. So me I look for Elephant Man last. Anyway, while me there in the dance, I look for where they want me no know. Elephant Man hold the mic again and tell me, look out the road, I gone out the road, ladies and gentlemen, gone look out the road to where me no put them out there. So while me there out the road, I look, Elephant Man hold the mic again and tell me, say, over the wall, I gone over the wall, ladies and gentlemen, gone look for where me no put them over the people them place. Anyway, me there over the wall I look for something. Where Elephant Man say, where is something over the wall there? Me over the wall I look for something. Elephant Man hold the mic and tell me, say, pan the river. Me gone down pan the river, ladies and gentlemen. Gone look. Yes, down pan the river, pan the bank. Now I look for where they sitting tell me saying last, down pan the river. Me down the river I look for sitting. Guess who down there I look for something to? No Capitan. When me see the Rasta down there, me say Rasta, where I do pan the river, pan the bank. Me I look for Elephant Man ready something he say last down here. Where you do pan the river, pan the bank, Capitan. Capitan just get wicked and start one like him want beat me up on the pan. Me say where I look for Rasta? Him say, sure, be red hat! Me say, alright, you can't go and look for your red hat. Me I look for one sitting down here. Me I look for one ready sitting down here. Anyway, me down the pan the river, pan the bank, I look for the something, you don't know what I'm. Elephant Man tell me to go do something. Anyway, me take bus go. When me take a stop, me end up in a hospital with one bright light like this, a shine palm me, my baby mother juke me on my side. Me say, but wait, and when me there, she say, you're there at hospital. She say, tell me something. And when I do out of the airport, me jumbo jet lick it down, me say, oh, Elephant Man, they tell me to go signal the plane. Tap it, look at them. Allow me. Run a rhythm. Run up. Now people, boy, I tell you man, the night warm, but you have to love it. You got to work. Alright? Okay. You know everybody a ball for them lyrics, you know. But you see the lyrics, yeah? So me come everybody and tell me say no. Other lyrics that I want to hear. Alright, start. Alright, give me the punani. Give me the punani rhythm. Uncle. Yeah man, want the punani rhythm? Yes man. Alright, play low now. Play low now. You go, you're right. Let me see. Let me come on down here, the pants for man in. Hoy. What you want? You go? You read me? You make sure you're not drunk, you know. You make sure you're not rummed, you know. A rummed. What you mean? Alright. Alright, run the rhythm, man. I'm playing low now. You have that one away go so. Inna the bus, inna the bus, them a kick up rumpus, yes. Inna the bus, them a fight and a fuss. Me a one-stop driver. Let me back. Hey, Mr. D, your arms smell bad. Hey, little boy, they inna the blue tag. Take your foot up on me can before me get. Now the doctor, they come down with the money bag. I shout, tell him show to a tired, here a gal ball out. You're a man up at the front. The doctor, the minibus. The doctor with the man and give the man couple slap, fling him out at the bus, drop him on him neck, but everybody fine. Yeah, inna the bus, them a kick up rumpus, yes. Inna the bus, them a. After me take a minivan round 9 o'clock, me check one of my girlfriend when live a Ken cat. Me go inna the bus, me say Lord, me feel hot. Me cuss bad body where the minibus bag. Me hear a girl ball out, Lord, what that? You know she see a chink and a man shot back. She run to pick it up. The man say put it back. You know what? Everything gonna see black people got. Inna the bus. Play low now. That is one. We not ball for inna the bus. Low, see me. Second inna the bus go so. And don't laugh after me. Low, you know. Careful how you put before tonight, done. You might end up with a body come down. Careful how you put before tonight, done. We get a checkup from my doctor. Regular for me body no end up in a sick disaster. Me yam and banana, fish and flour. I keep porridge, give me body no stamina. Diarrhea go fi take me shake a milk powder. Me yam 11 jackfruit and 10 gizzard and drink 3/4 milk and yam 20 bulla and poo. Sweet. Quiet. Cool the master. Let me try them boys when that happened. The year before last round 10:07 after me jamming a one minivan full of people. Sit down at the back, very comfortable. After me took me, they kind of frightened because me feel something but me never too certain. Sweet baby. After me took me, they kind of frightened because me feel something but me never too certain. If the seat did better is do me do. But all me know me sit down in a so. One girl right beside me, they look and say, me look at her and say, young lady, what? She said, somebody put me, say, mine, I know you, no, poop all the while and go along, I can't know, no. Low. Same time here a old man say, when you can't smell good on the nose, no hope. Don't not smell, so you are hear me people, that somebody was supposed to. Quiet enough. Guess what? One dread did sit down with a piece of bamboo. You're a man, search a rat and did I eat mango. The rat lick him with a bag and say, well, don't pick up on you, and I'm searching yourself, but don't know how. So, everybody get up and start to argue and say, we must find this one kill that we beat. We make sure ball out, nigga people, why them always at the pin of dog, do, careful of you. Before tonight, that, from you might have anything about it, come down, careful of you. Before tonight, that, low. Not to be sure, to be more precise, so I never really believe something. To to Brown Bull till when me go so and feel me thoroughly in a hole. The two side puff to hell, me pants full. Colder man better Joe than that. Me did to come off up at the next stop, me look full, but me no idiot. And when the bus reach me stop, me still sit down and a chat. The dog time know me when work on the bus, he must say one give me away here and go say, "Wow, nuts, now you stop this." Me say, "Go away, your head bus, you forget say that me live up on the bus terminal, no, before tonight done, yo, careful of you, before tonight done." Cool, my darling. Thank you. You can stay right here. I'll go right over there now and perform it. Beautiful. Whoop. Guess what? No, the girl with her beside me, she come in like scout. She just a dig up and a pull up and a look all about. She look for me and we and start skin up her mouth. Yeah, me not in my mind. One day she fine now. Wait a minute. So said, so done. Let's see when she bow. Look down on my foot and say, "Kiss me, bull cow." One stop driver, let me off now. It's disobeyed there, but the bus to blow out. Look. You know, she look on my shoes, it's like she confused. She asks her, you know. Me go ask her if she love the style, she ball. Move, then she call woman. I say, "Have me excuse her." Look on that and see if that's her shoes. The man start laugh, then they hear him say, "Man, you mess up yourself." Me say, "Move and go away, you're too fast." And me did that under there and when the bus drop it. Wait up. Let me start from this one. You're the man now. Man, you mess up yourself. Me say, "Move and go away, you're too fast." And me did that under there and when the bus drop in a patrol, me did a dash way. The man top laugh, then me hear him say, "Here dinner smell, so I must be cooked drunk." Me say, "No, I know me dinner smell nothing." Well, I must see me stepping on the dog dodo. The girl ball out. "You lie, you know, sir. You put yourself and I blame that for. And a dog do that, then me shout, then I walk." She look on it and said, "Dog, no me am buster." She get up. Guess what she gonna do now? Guess what she gonna do? She gonna get a piece of stick from a piece of Achille. My man see her and say, "Chuck, what that my sister?" She said, "Me walk up public, me do the cleaning. And a dog do that, and me have to prove it to him." She did and she did till she find something. She said, "Look, panda, dog named Jim Billing." She never stop it till she find the pumpkin. And the two jojo women am this morning. You know, I gotta leave it right here. I'm gonna leave it right here. I sing. Oh, God. Oh, you hear what you ball out? Finish it! Finish it! I want you to separate that, you know, instead of just, you know, finish, dash, it. Because when they say two straight, it sounds like inner one and it sounds like what, finish? Okay. Alright. Here's my favorite lyrics. One of the favorite lyrics is about these guys now who want disrespect women in certain way and don't know how to check them. When I watch how big man check them and oh, what do you want here? You want here? Dance over come on and choke it man. You just dance over the man run up him mojo. Dance over the man go like him and you just dance over cause of the mouse that. Well I Mickey Mouse that. Him a damn idiot. Like a retard fool incompetent. But him is a no big and scrupulous rat. Tell him all of that and him a chat. All you do dance up back. While him a chat no answer him. Back mouth cut cross ways and mouth makes the chat. Him a know your daddy fi knock your bad butt. No pay that no mind. Do not react. He might a chat and you go react. And back a cutlass and a name couple chap. It's half time dead now, you a go think back. I say, if me did know me, you no chat him so at them the time they the shop, the gate they don't lock. You goose a go cooking at the enamel pot. Oops, you're gonna prison as easy as that. I say, if me did know me, other cancer. I'm gonna chuck it down, you just cancer back on him, I run up him mouth. Just cancer back on him, I go like him, and you just cancer back as I know. Me and my girlfriend live back at Burnpen. She come in last night 10:15. When me say where you coming from, she say me go look for them. When me see Papa that she back a fountain pen. I say, come now, you know from when I walk. Back you up to dig out your yard then. Me not gonna make you batter me again. I'd rather go to prison cause woman not. Left out of the yard, I don't even know when. When she come back, she a ball. Me say, what to you, Gwen? I feel up her face and her two jaw them. I see a guy box me round a Cockburn pen. Me say, wait, a man box my girlfriend. I must take that one them like anti-foul them. You know? Put up on her head and say, no worry, Gwen. You might go like him bad, make we go down there. When they reach down there, me box some little children, me just grab them up bad. Ask them if I them. Then say, no, Mr. Sir, Mr. Who box you, Gwen? Me hear a voice say, I me box your girlfriend. When we turn round, the man at 10'10", we go to run, but something grab me needle. She say, respect me, friend. Hello, him box you, Gwen. She say, yes, I him do it. Me say, all right then. If you think say you're bad boy, box her again. The better box her again. Me say, wait, me never see you want box her again. The better. Me just run across the road and buy 2 Heineken. They come back and give me a shake him and them and say, respect your boss, you save me the problem. I don't think I have a bad box, I don't get and go back and thank you, boss. Yeah, man, hear that, dear boss. I am performing. Hold it. Boss, I don't drink and drive. Remember that. Now the song I wanted to say to you. No, Jimmy. No, not Jimmy. You soon get Jimmy. You soon get your Jimmy, man. Watch Wicked Man now. Girls. 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 Nobody afraid when you know. Hear me at all. Look like woman forgets a man short. Hard to find a man nowadays to browse bars. We no have 10 woman from Yasso to New York. Chewy a man and we know a man short. And the woman them no good I make them keep 11 on the bunch and 43 thought. And if them open them mouth we broke up them. Some man only keep one woman. Just like me, what a good man I am. We know think, yeah man, we know that. Girls, I don't like me at them. Don't say no. Don't make me feel embarrassed. Again. Listen, some man only keep one